The morning sun casts a gentle glow as Father kneels reverently on the prayer mat. With focused calm, Father cleans his teeth with a miswak, a testament to devotion. Nearby, Mirha sits cradling baby Hussein, her wide, curious eyes locked on Father. Father showed the Sunnah of miswak before Salah. In the gentle light of the family home, Mirha delicately picks up a small miswak, its texture unfamiliar beneath her fingertips. With a tender smile, she leans over baby Hussein, who lies peacefully on a soft blanket. She gently touches the miswak to Hussein's tiny hand, introducing him to a cherished tradition. Hussein grasps it curiously, his small fingers wrapping around the unfamiliar object as Mirha whispers, "One day, my brother will follow this sunnah too." Hussein, a little older, sits up, his laughter echoing through the home. He toys with the miswak, exploring its texture with innocent curiosity. As a voice whispers, Hussein laughed as if he already loved this sunnah. Mirha watches him, her heart swelling with affection. Mother enters her touch a blessing as she says, "Teaching your brother the sunnah brings blessings to your life."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.